Hello guys, how are you all doing? Welcome to Joy Osaze Empire. So it's a Sunday morning, so guys, I want to I made some shopping, but first of all I want to clean my fridge and arrange it properly and put all what I got inside the freezer. Okay guys, thanks for watching, and I'm going to see you all in my next video. Don't forget to watch this video to the end, like it, share it, subscribe. Okay guys, I know you guys got me and I got you too. Okay guys, let's see how my fridge look like presently. So this is it. So I'm going to start by removing, this is honey and this is lime, this is beer, light beer though, 15%, and this is Fanta. So I'm just going to remove everything. And this is red beans, very healthy. And this is what is it called, Red Bull. This is Red Bull energy booster. And this is dry onion. And this you can get it from the where you can get burger. Yeah, this is just sweet. You can get it from the shop, but usually children likes it a lot, so even me, I like it. So Burger King, you can get it, so they usually sell it. It's very sweet. It's sweet. It's a sweet and it's sweet. You see how it look like. It's a sweet and it's sweet. I can try to be sucking it. That is it. It's very nice. Children like it a lot. I mean, I like it because I'm children. I'm a baby. And this is my stew. This is my jollof. This is my water stock. I used to prepare food. Leftover, tontula, dry bread. Since you don't know what it looks like, that is it. This is the one I already made with different stuff. I'm just going to remove. These are herbal drinks, guys. I just put it here. This is root. There is root inside, so I thought something like this. This vodka inside, and this is grape and lime. They used to make this Fanta. Yes, this is for infection. So this is fruit, but it's for infection. So if you are interested and you want it, you can let me know. So apple cider. This is good for your morning drink. I can make the preparation if you guys want to lose weight and to boost. It's for losing of weight and to build your immune system. So egg before is €1 something cents, but now is almost €3 just for the small packet that has how many 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, that has 10 pieces. I only used 2 out of it already. It's almost €3, guys. Things are so expensive these days. Oh my god. So this is fruit. Keep that one there. This one is bread. Tin tomatoes. Salad chips. This is fresh tomatoes. They usually have 2 inside the pack. And this is chocolate. But this one is made with chocolate. I can open it for you guys. You just put it on top of your bread. It's very nice. This is it. Maybe you people have it in your shop, wherever you are. It's very nice and kids like it a lot. if you have kids. Because me, I used to behave like baby also, so I eat what children eat, not only children that can enjoy. This is garbage. This is ginger. This is orioyo. What do they call it in English? What do they call orioyo? I forget already. Yeah, but if you remember the name, put it in the comment section. I know the name, but I forget the English name. But this is orioyo for cough, for massage, and whatever. In my own dialect, it's called orioyo. But maybe other people have their name. This is the same thing I have here. I just put some here. It's the same thing. So this one also is for cough. This one, because I usually bring it from far away, you know. So I've emptied it. Okay, not yet. So this is butter, but this is Africa butter, and this is Finland butter. So yeah. So this one is for bread also. This one is like butter, but this one is softer and have different taste. I like this one also. This one is Finland butter also. But my best butter is Blue Band. It's because I did not get a Blue Band in Africa shop, and they were having this golden whatever. So I just bought this one. And I've not, this is how it looks like. I don't like it that much. Yes, guys. Okay, so I've introduced everything that I have in my fridge, and I've emptied the fridge. So now I'm just going to start cleaning it and arrange it back, guys. So I will just start by the handle. It's a new fridge, guys. I was having one old one, like the gas. So this one, what made them to bring new one for me is because the fridge was not longer working. It stopped working. So they now bring this new one for me after 3 months. It takes a lot of time, guys, before they bring the new one for me. But this one is very nice and beautiful. As you can see, it's new, so it's beautiful, guys. So what I will do, this one I will just remove it and rest it, guys. I will just rest inside with water. So this one just have to be rinsed, so I will just keep it somewhere so that it can dry a little bit, guys. Yeah. So I will remove the other one and also rinse it like that. Now, what I brought out from the freezer is so good. Okay, this one is ready. I'll keep it aside. See how it's sparkling. Oops. I will start by cleaning inside the fridge. Before I will stock it with the new things I got, I want it to look beautiful for Christmas. Ready for Christmas. But thank God for good health, making me to see the day. So I have to celebrate it however I can, guys. I know you guys are not seeing me very well. Yeah. Like I said, it's a new fridge. Just my food that is roughing it, not like it's old. It's a new freezer, new fridge, everything. And I like it. So let me take you guys. So this is it after cleaning. Guys. So this is how it looks like. So I'm going to show you guys to the freezer and show you guys what I got inside the freezer, guys. Let me take you guys to the freezer. So the first one now, I have turkey wings. This is turkey wings inside. So I've just, put it little by little how I can use it. I don't have to be bringing everything out. So this one I can use it with other meat with one pot of food. However, so all these are turkey meat. So I have the second place. I put some turkey oil also. I have fish inside, and I have my bush meat. This is bush meat. Let me open that. Let me open it. This is bush meat. This is bush meat. This is it. Very sweet, guys. This is bush meat. I have two legs of bush meat in here. So this is it. So I just keep it. Maybe I will use them for Christmas. Depends on the mood I am, and depends on depends on what I'm cooking. So I have my banga. This is banga, but this paper is gone already. I've used part of it. So, and other little things, my chips, okra, cheese, and so on and so forth. This is scented leaf. I've already washed it and sliced it, ready for cooking. And other stuffs, guys. So and under here, the last one, I have my, what is this called, my beef, and I have my chicken chicken legs, this kind of chicken legs. So I have it. Beef, this is what is it called, the skin. So every other one that is left inside is beef, guys. So it's all block. They are beef. I've already tied them little by little, so that if I want to use them, I will just bring one pack out of it, guys. So that is it. So that is it for the freezer. So let's arrange our fridge. Let's arrange it. Okay, what I'm